Just waking up from a nice dream. Bitcoin pumping on a live stream. Smile shine brighter than a high beam. Ever seen live trading on a widescreen? Bitcoin showing you the steps to own it. We got the alpha, I bet you want it. I'm having fun, send a lecture on it. Randy, put a little extra on it.
It's mutable and decentralized. No censorship or hard cap supply. It's open source and we classify the blockchain secure, and that's exactly why. It's hard money with a new plan. It bounced a lot like this new jam. If Bitcoin dipped, then we ain't gon' trip. I'ma be bullish on you, fam.
I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it. 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 I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Wednesday. We are officially midweek as Bitcoin is mid-plunge right now. We're around $66,000 per Bitcoin. What is happening as over $1 billion has been wiped out from the market? Kraken pre-IPO, we have things going on. We have MasterCard things. We have the banks freaking out. We have Premier Soccer leagues. They're also looking to get into some crypto partnerships. Zcash had outages. Apparently, what is going on with these outages? Also, guys, we are just popping off. We're getting after it. So if you guys are ready for the Zest, the news, the education, smash the like, subscribe, share this out with friends so more people know what's going on here. We have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers, a subscriber goal that always just doesn't refresh for some reason. But we do have the goal of 26,000 subscribers, guys. We are 116 away. And I would just love, with my whole darn heart, if you guys went over to YouTube, you smashed the like, you subscribed, especially because Bitcoin price is down. We want to show YouTube that we are still pamping and we are bullish. Yes, 66K Bitcoin is here. I'm going to dive into the Bitcoin chart in just a moment. I do ask that, again, you smash like, subscribe, share this out with friends if you guys are ready for this Zest, the news, the education, and say good morning to me as I say good morning to you, and check out our 3 amazing sponsors of the show, including Cake Wallet, Market Cipher. Use code ZESTY for 15% off, and then go up to the moon with Uphold. So let's get after it. Again, guys, I just want to throw a reminder in there. We do have a members only after show. So if you guys hit that $ emoji in the YouTube chat, you get access to the cool member exclusive emojis, which everyone's going to go show off their favorite one right now. And then you could go to Discord after the show concludes and hang out with me. I do not think we're doing a show on Friday. Again, I think Fridays we're going to try to see if I could make Fridays like my meeting day. I have a lot of meetings during the week, but I feel like mornings, I really need to get a few things done. So I think we're going to have to cut Friday shows here and there during the summer, just so I could lock in, guys, because we have a lot of potential travel plans coming up, and there's so much I need to figure out and a few meetings I need to take on Friday that I just can't miss. So I'll keep you guys posted, though. We are popping off today, so I'm going to say good morning to everybody. Also, just another reminder of another thing. I am cutting shows to at least 30 to 40 minutes. I yap too much. You guys want concise, simple news. So I'm cutting the shows to about 30, 40 minutes. So if you guys want to see this show live, you have to be here at the start. Okay. We got Jesse Silver Days, Dogebo, Mike Vollmer, Shadow Fitz is here. We got David Bowles, Mark Smithson. Also, guys, remember, I do have bagels. So someone remind me when we get to Coins to Watch to get the bagels, because I forgot last week. I had them, but I forgot to bring them on the show 2 days in a row. So please remind me today. Who else we got? We got Peace. As always, thank you to Black Hat. Eddie, good morning. Alex Kaimana is here. Mike Mazzoni, Yukio, and DeFi G are on X. He says, never sell. Pop off. John White, good morning. He says the middle of the week. Yes, it is, sir. Yes, it is. Ian, good morning. Shout out to Ian for all of our clips. I posted a montage yesterday for you guys, and I thought it was funny. Let me know what you guys think. I could pull it up too. Paco, what's up? John White, did you guys boop the like button? Make sure you're booping. Boopy boopies. Boopy did boop boop boop. The like button. Steven says, I booped. Yes, guys, do a little boopies. Do a little boop. We could do raves. Again, we have to get 150 likes on an episode on a Thursday instead of a Friday then. But not to say it can't happen, but I do have bagels today as a Wednesday thing. Okay, let's get into the market recap. I know you guys are coming in because you want to see charts. I'm going to give you charts. Right now, we do have the market recap. Lit is lit, up 35%, just about. WorldCoin is climbing as well. Athena up 26%. Ondo also making a little bit of a run today. As you can see, one of our heavyweights in the downward direction is Bitcoin Cash. We're looking here at Bitcoin this morning. I was looking at this chart and seeing everybody. Yeah, screaming. They're screaming. You heard it. They're screaming. $66,766 Bitcoin. We're up actually 0.15% after plummeting yesterday. Again, this candle was quite heavy. Yesterday's candle from open to close, we were down about 6.5% for Bitcoin. Again, losing essential support here at 73K and going below. Again, these two pink lines. I was going to say red because that's not the color. They're pink. These two pink lines are 67K and 69. Again, these are your two levels from 2021, the highest daily candle close and the wick high, the infamous 69K. Also, guys, again, if we do not hold support at the 67.5, which it seems like we are not, because again, we opened the day below that around 66K. We're looking down at 60. I keep telling you 60K, 60K. It seems like that's where we're headed. We don't know for sure. However, keep calm, hodl on. Who cares? Cheaper Bitcoin, better for us. Bullish though, again, you want to reclaim 69K. That is a major. Did I say major level to watch? Momentum, wow, crashing and absolutely burning right now. This is the lowest momentum since March of 2025. What was going on March of 2025? Well, I'll tell you, March of 2025, we were right here fiddling with the 200-day SMA around the 80K range. And look at where we're at again, rejecting the 200-day SMA and at the same low point with the momentum. But do note that even during that time where we played with that 200-day SMA in March of 2025, we did go down to about 74K. Again, we took a nice little dip, held support, and went to all-time highs, essentially. So I would be looking at that same thing again. Hopefully, again, we take a nice little dip. Wherever that lands us, we hold support, go right back up to that 200-day SMA and test it again. It goes at 79K, which isn't that far. Bitcoin is basically even right now, only 0.02% in the green. So again, we're going back to this VWAP that is moving up. It is technically bearish out here. Money flow is ticking down to a degree that is absolutely insane. And we might end up going red. We haven't been red with money flow since April. So it hasn't been too long, but it's been a hot minute. Also, look at this RSI. Whoa. Guys, this is deep in the trenches of oversold. Again, the last time we saw that was February. Again, that's where we kind of hit a low in February down here at 60K. One to watch. Shot 25 on TikTok said we're going to go to 58,000. You know, I'm looking at 60. Even more bearish is 52 to 54K. Those are our bearish targets. We've been saying it for a while. Can the RSI go to zero? Imagine. I mean, listen, it definitely could. It definitely could. It's possible. I don't think Bitcoin's ever been there. Technically, I guess it's possible. But we haven't really seen less than 16 in a very, very long time. What was this over here? 9.5 in December of 2018. Yeah, that it seems like, again, like we're in the trenches right now. We are really in the trenches. But again, it means that when you are oversold, the likelihood of Bitcoin price going up increases. Again, we could see some blooming out of this dooming. We could see the doom out of the bloom out of the doom. You never know. You guys like the pink? Thank you guys. I wanted to mix it up today. I really wanted to mix it up and give a little pink vibe. I don't know. I've been feeling pink. But you know what? The market is feeling red as over $1.8 billion has gotten liquidated. Breaking news headlines start now. Over $1.8 billion in crypto liquidations, besties. Take a look at this. Oh, wow. Just wow. More than $1.58 billion in longs were liquidated, with Bitcoin itself accounting for $774.2 million of the total. ETH followed that with $440 million in long liquidations. Across the board, a total of $1.83 billion was wiped out from the market in the short and long positions, marking the largest liquidation since February 6th. Again, when Bitcoin went down to 60K. I'm telling you, all roads lead to that low at 60K. And so the likelihood of us going there, I mean, it's possible. But all the signals are telling us that we're kind of nearing the exhaustion here, the exhaustion level. I don't know about you guys. Do you guys think there is more? There's lower. Or can we go lower? Put a 1 or a yes emoji, 2 or no emoji. Are we going lower? I want to know. I need to know. Also, we're going to do something. We're going to do a like raid. I want everyone to unlike the stream. If you liked it, take your like away. Take it away. And we're going to re-like it after I finish talking about this. So unlike the stream, we're going to re-smash the like because YouTube is holding us down and it's really setting me ablaze right now. So unlike the stream, we're going to all like it at the same time. If you guys are on TikTok, I see there's a lot of you guys over there. Go over to YouTube. And if you go to YouTube, we're all going to like at the same time. So that way we can show YouTube we're here, we're active. So apparently this was, according to some individuals, the highest Bitcoin long liquidation event since October 10th, the October 10th Black Swan event. And so people are saying that this is crazy, but the Bitcoin supply on Binance has reached a 3-month high, which signifies a potential heightened selling pressure in the market. Again, it seems like people are scared. And you know what? I don't know if I could find this comment, but you know what? I probably shouldn't out people and call them out. But there was someone that commented like, oh, Randy, you should be telling everyone to go sell because if they sell, then at least they could take their losses or whatever. Like, what? What?
Bruh. Oh my God.
Because why are we telling people to sell and take their losses? One, if you dollar cost average and you're holding for over 5 years, this doesn't matter. Like right now, I don't care. 1 Bitcoin is equal to 1 Bitcoin. $1 from 10 years ago is not equal to $1 today. So why are we playing games? I'm not here for the short term. I'm here for years. I'm here till I'm old and wrinkly. I'm here to pass my Bitcoin down to my kids. Why are we panicking? Why are you telling me that I'm even giving you financial advice to begin with? I don't give you financial advice. I never tell you when to buy. I never tell you when to sell. I only tell you levels on the chart and my humble darn opinion, which is the fact that we are in the most peaceful revolution of all time. Nobody could stop us. I don't care. Nobody can stop us. This is a decentralized digital currency. That is why I'm here. I'm here for freedom. I'm here to break generational wheels of people anchoring themselves to a currency that is literally depleting in value every single day. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense to me. If you guys have not yet, let's all smash the like at the same time. Ready? In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
Yeah, that's how I feel. That's how I feel. The Nard says I was unsubscribed without you doing it. Wow, you didn't. Wow, see? That's sus. That's sussery. That's sus. Guys, again, we have a goal of 26,000 subscribers. Buy Bitcoin over on TikTok, says Preach Queen. Thank you. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. You should go to YouTube. Hang out on YouTube, bestie. Guys, you're on TikTok. You're on Rumble. You're on X. You're everywhere else that's not YouTube. Make your girl happy. Go to YouTube. Go to YouTube. Everyone smash the like, please. My mods, let's keep pushing for at least 100 likes today. Okay. Wow, you guys are beautiful. Let's see rocket emojis in this chat. If you're bullish, let's see some rocket emojis everywhere. That's going to make me a happy camper. I see Noodle is here. Ray K is here. We have a bunch of people here. White Blue Eye. Thank you guys for popping off. I appreciate you guys. If I didn't say good morning to you, you can yell at me in old capital letters and let me know that you need some attention. Okay, let's also step internationally for a second because there is the UK. They're tyrants over there. They're upset about sponsorships now. They're upset about sponsorships. What in the freaking world is going on here that a sponsorship is so uncanny? The UK is like, oh, crypto people can't sponsor sports. Crypto people can't go and help raise money for politicians, but big pharma and the banks can pay for everything. I just want to know why that is. I just want to know why the double standard. I really do. So look at this. The FCA is so buck wild. Like, I think they annoy me. I think they bother me from like the depths of my soul, because the same people, the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, the FCA, they also came after Coinbase for a simple advertisement. I think they need to stop. They need to stop. They need to literally go mind their business because they're old and the UK is going to die of economic collapse because they're going to be in a drought, an economic, industrial, revolutionary drought, because they refuse to acknowledge what the future is, because they want to control your future. People in the UK, you best stand up right now and tell them to stop with the games. In the wise words of AOC.
Oh, girl, baby girl. Don't even play.
Oh, girl, baby girl. They're playing. They're playing. Premier soccer clubs have been warned by the UK's FCA about sponsorship deals with unauthorized crypto firms. Gosh freaking forbid. The FCA said unauthorized firms could be breaching rules on financial promotions through high-profile sponsorship deals. Oh, wow. Look at this. A new way to infringe on everything. Clubs enabling promotions could be exposed to legal liability, money laundering, and reputational damage. Oh my gosh, you're going to damage your reputation for accepting a sponsorship? Why doesn't the FCA sponsor you then? They want to freaking take your money. Why don't they pay us then? Jeez. Companies not listing on their crypto register are allowed to advertise in the UK only if their marketing material is signed off by a company authorized to approve it. Oh, please. Lucy Castledine, the director of consumer investments at the FCA, said millions of football fans trust their club's badge. Clubs should not let unauthorized financial firms exploit that loyalty by putting potentially dodgy products in front of millions of fans. And so, again, like, OKX sponsors Manchester City. Kraken also sponsoring people. And so Kraken is on the registry from the FCA, but OKX is not. So they're basically saying that OKX should not be able to sponsor this team. Like, what? Like, are we? They're telling these teams how to run their business now. You're telling me how to run my business. I would literally tell them to go shove it. You don't know the things I would say to these people. Thank God I'm not in the UK. The fights I would start. I would probably got deported from my own country if I lived in the UK. I would be rebelling. I would be rebelling. You know who needs to speak out about this, sir? Peter McCormick. Bitcoin maxi and all. He better say something about it. He better say something about it. This is gross. They're telling you, like, the UK is telling you how to run your business. I would tell them to shove it. I would tell them to shove it. That is so wild to me. That is so wild to me. Wow, the UK just gets worse and worse every day. Sorry to be such a buzzkill on the UK. People are lovely. The government is not. We know my thoughts on things. Now, Speaking of Kraken, guys, Kraken is also doing some tokenized IPO access to retail. I think this is spicy. This is what we're going to continue to see. Again, retail is kind of given an even playing field with the big boys when it comes to crypto, especially tokenized assets, being that anyone anywhere in the world should be able to go connect and into a decentralized landscape. And so we're getting there. We're not all the way there with this process, but it does seem like we are getting some retail access to things we wouldn't normally get access to without the zest and the love of crypto. So for all interested in the Kraken IPO, says here that retail investors are going to be able to participate in the US IPO at the offering price through a new tokenized equity program from Payward Services, a Kraken affiliated company. In a Wednesday announcement, Payward said that customers of Kraken and select members of its X Stocks Alliance would be able to express interest in the US listed IPOs before companies go public and receive allocations of tokenized shares on the listing day. According to the companies, the shares would be issued at the IPO offering price and backed 1-to-1 by the underlying stock, held in custody by a regulated entity, allowing eligible retail customers to access allocations that are typically reserved for institutional clients. Again, latest efforts to use blockchain to broaden access to TradFi amid the global push for RWAs. Yes, go freaking kill it, Payword. I love this. Freaking love it. They said institutions have gotten in at the IPO price for decades. Retail got the leftovers. Like we were nothing. We were feeble little peasants. They said X stocks ended that. Now, retail investors worldwide can access US listed IPO price exposure via X stocks at the offering price. Just what a banger. What an absolute banger. I gotta give one more. Just wow, go crypto. What a dub. What a dub. See, this is retail maxing. This is blockchain maxing. Yeah. Yeah. Another one. I just have to love this a little bit. How unfair is it that institutions have gotten the IPO price and then retail just has to wait until institutions pump the stock like God knows what on opening day and then we miss out on all these gains? Why do we get to miss out? No, crypto changes that right now and I love it. I freaking love it. Wow, I'm just such a big fan of this. Like, I don't think you understand. Like, people said I was crazy. I just want to, like, talk about this for a second. People said I was crazy years ago. Randi's Delulu. She's an anarchist. She's this. She's that. What a horrible woman. Just because I said that tokenized stocks are going to happen. Because NFTs are going to take over the world. People say NFTs suck. No, this is an NFT. This is a trad NFT. And look at where we're at. We went from minting art, which we still will continue to do, to now tokenizing the stock market. We're absorbing the world's wealth, and not a single blessed individual can stop this generational shift. I am just so mind blown at how far we've come. God bless crypto. We're making crypto great again. Let's freaking go. This is just, beautiful. John White said, crazy beautiful. Do you guys know that song by, I think, who is it? Luke Combs. That's like, beautiful, crazy. She can't help but amaze me. The way that she dances, ain't afraid to take chances. Wears her heart on her sleeve. Yeah, that's a great song. That's a great song. It's literally called Beautiful Crazy. You guys should listen to it. It's a banger. Austerity said, I'm glowing today. Thank you, King. And he was talking about noise cancellation. That's why you go to YouTube, bestie, because on YouTube, this mic works. On TikTok, you get the little boo-boo mic. So go on to YouTube. No singing. Are we serious? Are you censoring me on my own podcast? That's wild. Anyway, guys, we're going to talk about MasterCard real quick because MasterCard is supporting multiple stable coins, from USDC to PayPal stablecoin to even Ripple's RLUSD. If you're bullish on XRP, if you're bullish on Ripple, put XRP emojis in the chat. This is a new statement from MasterCard that I think you guys need to take a gander at. Where did my article go? I can't believe this. Again, getting very interesting with the way they're wording this. I just want to make this known. MasterCard announced their plans to expand their settlement capabilities to let issuers and acquirers settle some card transactions using stables. On Wednesday, MasterCard said that the capabilities would include intraday, weekend, and holiday card settlement. Oh, wow. You mean that we can actually spend our money when we want to spend our money? Wow. Sorry, that was sarcasm. Supporting both fiat and on-chain settlements to regulated stablecoins, the company said the new options are designed to give its partners more flexibility in managing settlement liquidity and timing. The expansion shows stables moving deeper into mainstream financial infrastructure as major payment settlement networks test tokenized dollars for settlement. Again, MasterCard did secure a BIT license, a New York BIT license in May that allows them to conduct regulated digital asset business activity in the States, which again, New York is like the hardest place to get regulatory clarity in, especially for a company. There's little to no exchanges in New York because New York is the worst. And so we do see the stablecoin settlement option is going to support USDC, Paxos issued PayPal, again, this is PayPal stablecoin, PYUSD, USDG, and USDP, and Ripple's RLUSD, and SoFi USD. I do imagine that maybe MoneyGram would be included in this, but MasterCard said the stablecoins would be enabled across Arbitrum, Base, Canton. Canton Network is the banker network. Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, Tempo, and XRPL. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, wow, wow. And again, Cross River is a major. If you guys know about Cross River, you guys will put together the dots. Look, you know what? Let me go confirm this. I gotta double check before I speak. Does use. Oh, frick. Cross River Bank. I gotta see if... because again, okay, dots connected. Because again, you look at MasterCard, this announcement, right? So they're gonna use Cross River Bank, right? And so they're gonna, and Cross River, oh, look at this, X Money, our favorite platform, X.com, X Money, is going to use Cross River. Now, there is a certain exchange that also uses Cross River Bank that we know of. We know this exchange very, very well. And I would just like to let you know that there's a lot of dots being connected in this brain. And I think you guys should keep an eye on Cross River and what exchanges use them, and X Money is using them, MasterCard's using it. Makes me think we might have some certain exchange integrations into X Money maybe one day down the road. Just maybe, as I tell you, everything is always set up. A lot of these TradFi bros are a few steps ahead. They'll never tell you anything until it's done. But in the process, you could be putting things together. So just throwing that out there. If you're catching my drift. What time is it? Okay, I'm doing good. Will I have my singing concert debut in Europe? I think there's so many better people to be singing in Europe than me. So I would say no. I think you could probably find someone on the street doing a lot better than me. Gucci King Khan, hello. Gucci, wait, where have you been? I haven't seen you in a while. Which exchange? I think you guys could take like a wild guess. But I appreciate you guys so much. Guys, please smash the like, subscribe, and share. We're going into coins to watch. Guys, one coin that you should be looking out for is Zcash. Zcash had an outage. Again, I am losing my absolute noodles right now when it comes to these blockchains. I think there's an insider attack from someone somewhere in maybe a government. Tinfoil hat moment conspiracy, allegedly. I would say with my tinfoil hat on that there could be, you know, some fiddling going on with these governments. They're trying to infiltrate crypto and purposely try to tank some blockchains. Now, our blockchain should be stronger than that, but Sui is failing the test and Zcash is failing it as well. Not to say they're bad tech, but it's not the best tech when the network goes down. If we're relying on Zcash for privacy, if we're relying on Sui and all these other blockchains for tokenization, we don't want downtime, which is why I love Litecoin, because this lovely chain has never gone down once. So Zcash, there was an outage here as well. We knew that there was a lot of outages with Sui last week, which kind of writes them off my list. Zcash, I think, is joining that. Oh, sorry, wrong button. That was not a magical moment. For a few hours, Wednesday, Asia time, Zcash's blockchain appeared to not be producing any new blocks, but that's an issue with the block explorer themselves and not the chain. Again, this is still a little bit sus to me. Now, think of the blockchain as a ledger that keeps growing as these new transactions are added. Each block is a new entry on the ledger. So when the network stops making new blocks, no new transactions can be confirmed. This is like the entire payment system freezing for several hours. So according to multiple blockchain explorers, the most recent block was number 3364601. And after that, there were no new blocks appearing for over 4 hours. And normally there's a new block every 75 seconds, so about every minute or so. So apparently it was explained that this is an issue of some block explorers not updating their nodes because of the network upgrade. So I don't know. I think that this is a little sus to me. It's a little sus. Are you still buying Zcash? Put a 1 or a yes emoji, 2 or no emoji. Yeah, blaming on the ledger. I just think that's sus to me. I just don't know. I really just don't know. It weirds me out a little bit. We need some likes. Please smash the like, subscribe, and share. Again, if you have not yet, please subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get 26,000 here. Gainers and losers, guys. Lighters lit up 34% today. We do have Athena up about 30. We have WorldCoin up 23%. Venice is up 14. Ondo is up 14% as well. Losers, is just down 15%. Bitcoin Cash taking a heavy hit today, as we noted earlier in the show, down 12%. Terra Luna, I don't know what the frick is going on here. This is down 8.7%. Algo is down 7%. And CSAI, as I like to say, is down 6.8%. See what I did? No, you guys didn't get that. I'm just a little delulus today. I'm not here. I'm not normal. I'm really not normal. This is my problem, not yours. It's okay. Right now, we're at a critical level here. $1,853 ETH. We're down 0.18%. Again, heavy candle yesterday that brought us down to 1850. We've been talking about this 1850 for quite a hot minute. Below that, again, we're looking at this wick low to 1750. Even lower than that is 1550 ETH. Bullishly, again, holding support exactly where we're at and pushing for $2,000 ETH. Litecoin, guys, is $47. We're up 1.9%. And just noting, guys, we are, again, I'm going to keep saying it every single day. We're going to Litecoin Summit, boys and girls. Litecoin Summit in Amsterdam. Let's freaking go! Guys, I'm so darn excited. It's about 84 bucks a ticket. Don't miss out. Come hang out with me. I'm in Amsterdam. Oh my God, the bagels. You guys just freaking reminded me. Thank you. Hold on. Take a look at Litecoin. Give me a second. Put Litecoin emojis everywhere.
Randi Hipper. I'm a Bitcoin bestie.
Just waking up from a nice dream. Bitcoin pumping on a live stream. Smile shine brighter than a high beam. Ever seen live trading on a widescreen? Bitcoin showing you the steps to own it.
Okay. Andy goes, Randi is not normal. We know. We still love her. That's really funny. Thank you. That's really funny. Okay, guys. We got scallion and cream cheese today. That is our spread of the day. Then I got my lovely bagels hot and ready this morning. Let's do a bagel check real quick. Bagel check. Bagel check. Nice color we have today. Some ASMR. All right, let's rip her up. Not get crumbs everywhere. Okay. So we have our bagel. We ripped, we dip. Oh, this is gonna hit. This is gonna freaking hit. Okay. I just don't get it. I don't get it. You got to pump it up. Just wow. Absolutely wow. A bagel. What a miracle. Yesterday, actually, guys, I wanted to get something a little bit different. So I had so many meetings yesterday. I was so busy. So I got from a Mediterranean place. I love Mediterranean food. And I got like this chicken shish kebab plate. And it came with like white rice and this other rice that was like so well seasoned. And then I got like this baked bread that was like massive. I didn't know it was gonna be that massive. I thought it was like a side of bread or something. Holy freaking wow, it was so good. The only thing I was missing was a dipping sauce. Next time I have to get like some sort of dipping sauce with it, and you get a sauce. But I'm just letting you know that Mediterranean food always slaps for me. Like I love Turkish, anything Mediterranean, Greek food, like all of it just like makes my heart super darn happy. And just like, I just love that. I just freaking love it. Also, I've been really craving Indian food lately. I don't know why that is, but like maybe like a butter chicken, a garlic naan, like, ooh. Oh, freaking shoot. That would be so good. Guys, I'm like a food connoisseur nowadays. Like, I'm just loving it. French said, if I need a toaster for my bagel, thank you. I appreciate that. Noodle is in the chat. Noodle. You know what, Noodle? I'm so sus of Noodle. Like, I just can't crack the code of Noodle. But I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let it go. I'm just gonna let you remain Noodle. I'm not gonna try to figure out who you are, because that's not relevant. But you keep dropping hints. Like, I feel it. I don't know. Chosen Aces, a new niche unlocked. I guess so. We're all about the Mediterranean food. I'm all about it. I really am. I'm all about everything, to be honest. I'm just a happy camper. And with my travels coming up, I will be able to see a lot of the world, which I'm so excited about. And so again, Amsterdam is at the end of the month. We're leaving soon for Amsterdam. Am I American? Wholeheartedly, yes. I'm from the trenches of New York. And yeah, we're out here. So I'm going to be going to Amsterdam again at the end of the month. From Amsterdam, I'm going somewhere else. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just living life. I will be going to Amsterdam and somewhere else in Europe. Also, I will be going to maybe somewhere else in August. This is something I'm going to work on confirming. Zayad said, wow, we went to the same middle school. Did we go to the same middle school? Can I see your profile picture? Hold on. Wait, how did you find me? How did you find me? Zayad. I can't see your profile picture, but I'm going to give you a test. I actually remember you. Tell me the middle school. Tell me the middle school. And if we had any classes together, throw the teacher out there. Let me give Zayad a little test here. VM says, show some compassion. Chicken lives matter. No, I love my chickens. Chicken lives matter. All lives matter. All the lives matter. But I do love chicken. I do love beef. I love all the foods. I'm not gonna lie. Gary said the UK. I don't know if I'm gonna go to the UK. I don't think so. I don't have any plans for that right now, but August, Randy will come to my birthday. I mean, I will be in Amsterdam, Jesse. Come to Litecoin Summit. Come to Litecoin Summit, and I'll see you there, bestie. Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna head out of here, and we're gonna go into the Discord after show in just a minute. So if you have not yet, please like, subscribe, and share. Become a member of the channel. Get your emojis, and then from there, we can go to the after show. And if we get, I'll make a deal with you. If we get 100 likes on tomorrow's show, then I will give away 5 memberships to the YouTube channel. I don't think we had classes together. Remember, Angelina got transferred to my class and you guys were besties. Oh my God, you do know me. Yes, you do. You know what? That's so funny. I was thinking about Angelina the other day. And wow, yes, you are so right. You are so right. Yes, I agree. You were in middle school with me, that's for sure. That's for absolutely sure. That's crazy. Well, hello, Zayed. Thank you for joining the stream. I appreciate you, bestie. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Stick around. And if you look at my YouTube channel, Zayed, and if you want to share it with anybody, then we do have intro to crypto stuff on the YouTube channel. We just don't forget, guys, again, if you haven't seen it yet, go to the YouTube channel, scroll down, go to event speaking. You'll see I did that Bitcoin 101 class, and I love my Bitcoin 101 classes. I just taught it at the high school I went to, Zayed. And you guys could go and check that out. I was in Brooklyn about 2 weeks ago. But yeah, he did. He proved himself. He actually knows. He actually knows. I was thinking about that girl the other day that he just brought up. I was thinking about her the other day. If you still talk to her, tell her I said hello. But yeah, guys, go check it out. See, now we have my middle school friends in the chat. This is crazy. I'm just like absolutely loving that. So guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I am just so happy right now. Zayed just made my day low key. Actually high key, he made my day. So shout out to you, Zayed. I'll see you around, bud. And also, again, if you have not yet, become a member, like, subscribe, and share. Go to the Discord tomorrow. If we get 100 likes on this live stream, I will give away 5 memberships. Again, I'm trying to keep you guys to my schedule of 30 to 40-ish minutes because I'm not ranting for an hour on here anymore because I think I rant too much. So I'm trying to control myself. Okay. Bye, guys. Have a beautiful day. I'll see you in the Discord. Mwah. Peace.